already started preparing the moment Franz Castro announced the impeachment plans, which was November of 2023. So November of 2023, there were already lawyers doing their work for the impeachment. So we leave it to the lawyers. Do I feel betrayed? Actually, ma'am, wala akong feelings. Wala akong feelings about it. Kasi, kung napapansin nyo, wala naman kasi talaga akong barkada na politiko. I don't join their circles. But we are friends. Kaya siguro, ganyan din siguro kadali sa kanila ang magdesisyon about the impeachment. Kasi wala naman talagang something that is worthwhile sa aming pagiging magkaibigan. I'm okay.